What happens when a country has two major groups who both want control? You can either balance the power, or let one side completely crush the other. Take Belgium and Sri Lanka. Both faced deep divisions, but they chose completely opposite paths. Belgium chose accommodation. Between 1970 and 1993, they rewrote their constitution 4 times to ensure equal power for their linguistic groups. Sri Lanka chose majoritarianism. A 1956 act made Sinhala the only official language, locking Tamils out of opportunities. The result? Belgium stayed peaceful and united, while Sri Lanka plunged into a brutal civil war that cost over 100,000 lives. So why exactly does power sharing save nations? The first reason is purely practical: survival. When you share power, you defuse the bomb of social conflict. It's the ultimate insurance policy for political stability, preventing a majority from simply crushing everyone else. But there's a deeper moral reason. Power sharing isn't just a clever trick to avoid riots. It is the very spirit of democracy. A legitimate government isn't just 51% bossing around the 49. It's a system where every citizen actually holds a piece of the steering wheel. If you want to stop politicians from playing tug-of-war, you have to explicitly divide their toys. India does this with 3 constitutional lists. The Union gets 100 critical subjects, like defense and banking. States get 61 regional subjects, like police. They share a concurrent list for things like education, but if they ever clash, the Union's law automatically wins. But vertically, a 2-tier system simply wasn't enough for a country where some states are bigger than entire European nations. So in 1992, India sliced the pyramid again. They added a massive 3rd tier of local government, panchayats and municipalities, bringing democracy right down to the grassroots.